Myself, Kanchala Sriman. I'm currently studying electrical and electronical engineering in Nanyang Technological University. Yeah, actually, the first time I got to know about Aaigen was when I first joined Fiji in my eighth class. So, in 2018, when I joined Fiji, I used to see so many posters and holdings about so many of my seniors getting admissions in foreign universities with very high packages. So, I was so wondered that, and it was the first time that I got to know that we can go to foreign universities for doing our engineering degree. So, then I consulted few of my seniors and got to know how they have actually got admissions in US and other countries. So then I got to know that SAT and IELTS are the exams they gave and they got the admission and scholarships. And also then they recommended me Aaigen for giving those exams, and they told me that Aaigen is the very best institute for people who are like thinking to go to foreign universities. And yeah, I agree with that. Like Venkat sir really helped us a lot for getting into foreign universities. He the amount of hard work we have done is the same amount of hard work he has done. So yeah, that's how I found Asian, and yeah, that's how it started. Yeah, for SAT and IELTS, like for SAT, the material that Venkat sir gave us was really good for, especially for English, the reading and writing part. There's every type of question, like how can we solve every type of questions and examples. Like I believe that if anyone will master the study material completely, like they can score above 1450 or 1500 with like Ace. And also coming to maths, Venkat sir is really good at teaching maths. So he gives us all the tips and tricks for how to do each questions and how to make it fast. And the important thing in SAT is, especially for math, it's not about numbers, it's about understanding the question. So if you don't understand the question properly, the math will go wrong. So Venkat sir really helped us in doing that part, especially when it comes to how to read the questions and how to answer it. Yeah, so the preparation for SAT is really great from Venkat sir math and also the material he gave and the remaining guys and team who really teaches us English and all. And for IELTS, it's like there are four parts in IELTS. So it's speaking, reading, listening, and writing. So I've got good coaching for all the four rounds in from the Aaigen team. So it was really a great preparation here. So I used to have a aim that I need to get into top 100 world universities. So that was my aim and goal since I joined Aaigen. I even told to Venkat sir when I was getting admitted in Aaigen. So the first question he asked me was, "What was your dream or aim or goal?" So I said that like I want to get into top university. So I especially also joined into Aaigen Institute because the IIT, Fiji, I've joined Fiji for IIT, especially. My dream was to get into top universities. That was my dream from the beginning. So basically, I joined into Fiji for getting into IITs like IIT Bombay or IIT Madras. But since the day I saw Aizen posters, I just researched on IITs and all. So I got to know that IITs are ranking in 200s in the QS rankings in the whole world, which is like we are preparing for 5 years, like from 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. It's like 5 years. And there's no confirmation that we get into IITs. So I've thought this is a really good chance to improve my career. Like it's like very great chance to get into that university. So that's the main reason why I joined Aigen. And yeah, so that was my goal to get into top 100 universities. Uh, Venkat sir really also helped me in getting all applying to the universities, all the documentation work, visa application, and all. He guided us very well. It wasn't tough for if you, it wasn't tough for me while getting while applying for the new university, which is like completely new process for somebody who doesn't know how to apply for the foreign universities. But it went very easy because Venkat sir guided us a lot. So yeah, as I said, like there's a Venkat sir gave every student like the step-by-step guidance for each and everything. So he he took a personal care for every student, so it doesn't felt really hard for anyone to apply for the colleges or anything. So yeah, so he was the only person who did all the application work for the university. So the guidance he gave actually helped a lot for every student and me as well. Yeah. My university, Nanyang Technological University, which is in Singapore. Like after 4 years, I was the only person who got into NTU, and other people from Hyderabad and all. But from AP, it's like nobody. It's like only me. So most of my friends who are Indians, like they all applied on their own. They didn't use the consultants or something. So it's like their parents' work and their work, like personal work. But I don't know about other institutes, but I can tell that like Aizen is really best for students who are like aiming to go to foreign universities because I experienced it. It was really a great experience, like stress-free experience. Like the only thing the student should do is to study hard for the exams. The remaining work is carried on with the team. Yeah. Actually, those kind of messages, right? I'm still getting right now. Like the people are like interviewing me everywhere I go. Like my father runs a business, so I usually go and sit in the store. So people who know that I got into NTU in Singapore, they come continuously ask me questions on questions. Like I need to I got used to the answers. Like I just give the answers straight away. So yeah, people ask me a lot. So many people ask me, and like my parents are very proud of me. My relatives are proud of me, and my juniors are really shocked. Like because it was like struggling when I was in my second year because I didn't choose should I go to SAT or I need to work hard on IIT. So it was like so confusion between these two. So my SAT, joining into Aaigen was like 3 months before the SAT exam. Like it was in December. I joined in September. That's it. So it's like very quick decision and all went so quick and quick. So yeah, my juniors surprised a lot. My friends surprised a lot. Like getting into world top 16th university.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like so I'm proud of myself and I was so happy when I got the admission. Yeah. I would suggest Aaijen because one of my friend in Singapore, their cousin is in India. So her cousin called me and asked like, "How did you join in NTU?" So I gave Aaijen contact number and information about Aaijen. So yeah, I'll definitely recommend people to join Aaijen because I know the experience. Yeah.